Hey everyone, welcome to Techno YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing of computer glasses that I have purchased from Lensfit.com. So let's see the contents of the package that I have got. So this is the package that I got from Lensfit.com. So I'm opening the package right now. So the package comes with a transparent packaging, so the delivery person could see what kind of package, what kind of product that I have purchased from. So yeah, that's that's a minor issue. So if you are going to gift it to someone by purchasing a pair of glasses from Lensfit, you have to note this because it comes with a transparent package. So now I cut open the tapes around the boxes. Now let's see the contents within the box. So we got a discount coupon for the next purchase. So yeah, that's a discount coupon, and they have given a promises pamphlet. Yeah, and then we'll get a cleaning solution to clean the glasses, and then we got the spec pouch which contains the specs. So let's see what else we got from them. Yeah, that's that's a clip-on glass, so that's a clip-on, and I have got my bill here. Yeah, so let's keep everything aside. Okay, let's keep them aside. Yeah, that's all we got. Let's open the glasses. And how does it look? So this is the glass that I purchased. It's a clip-on glass, so it's already comes with a polarized sunglass on top. So it's a clip-on. So yeah, that's how it looks. Let's see the other color options that I've got from the clip-ons. That's a clip-ons. We got a silver one, yellow one, and the blue one. So let's remove. Yeah, this is the silver one. It's highly reflective, which means you won't get much colors, much contents with the silver one. It's a yellow one, which is generally used for driving purposes. And here's the blue one. Is something that I don't use. Yeah, let's get the forest black screen out. Let's see how does the lenses looks like. Yeah. Now that's the regular glass. That's the computer glass that I have purchased from Lensfit. It's kind of huge for me. Even though that I have purchased a medium one, I have medium one, yet they have given me the large one. Yeah, that's all guys.